Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're getting into the weeds on a piece of pro video gear that basically promises to kill cable clutter for good. We're looking at the Datavideo PTC-140T HDBaseT PTZ camera.
And our mission here is to take this dense product listing and really peel back the layers. We want to figure out how this tech actually tackles the complexity and, frankly, the cost of multi-camera live shows.
And the one thing that just jumps right off the page, this camera, it's about $1,500, sends everything. I mean, power, video, and control, all through one single network cable. So let's unpack that.
Yeah, that single cable solution is called HDBaseT, and what's so fascinating is the economic shift it represents. You're not just saving on a messy floor. You're getting rid of separate power supplies. You're ditching expensive STI cable runs.
Oh, for sure. So we're talking about a massive time saver during setup. That's power over Ethernet PoE plus all your control data and the video feed itself on one, common CT6 cable.
And it can go up to 100 meters.
100 meters. Anyone who had to rig a ballroom for a conference knows that is just gold.
Absolutely. The simplicity is the whole selling point. Run one cheap cable and you're done. But this is where we kind of need to slow down because the source introduces a pretty big catch.
Okay, what is it? If it's so efficient, why isn't every camera company doing this?
Because it demands intense integration. The listing is very clear. This camera is compatible only with the receivers inside Datavideo's own HS-1500T or HS-1600T portable studios.
So it's a closed ecosystem.
Completely.
That feels like a massive vendor lock-in. I mean, for a smaller production house, doesn't that just add a huge hidden cost? It really limits your flexibility down the road.
It does, but you have to see it from their perspective. That tightness is deliberate. If you're already in the data video world, or if speed and reliability are your absolute top priorities, then that integration becomes a feature, not a bug.
I see. It keeps the workflow clean, especially with their dedicated controllers like the RMC300. Okay, let's pivot to the image itself. Single cable is great, but what's the quality like?
Well, it's built around a pretty standard 12.8-inch CMOS sensor. It'll give you full HDSO, 1080p at up to 60 frames per second.
On the zoom?
The zoom is actually pretty significant for a remote camera. You get a powerful 20x optical zoom.
20 times optical. That's enough to go from a wide stage shot to a tight on a speaker's face in the back of an auditorium.
Right, and there's also a 10x digital zoom on top of that if you need it. But here's the other key feature for modern work.
The built-in streaming encoder.
Precisely. It supports both H.264 and, more importantly, the newer H.265 compression.
H.265 is a real pro feature. It gives you the same quality, but at a way lower byte rate, which saves your network bandwidth.
And it's not just one stream. It can handle two simultaneous streams using RTMP or RTSP straight to any cloud service.
Let's talk about the mechanics. It's a true PTZ pan tilt zoom.
Yeah, you get a really wide 340-degree pan range, and the tilt goes from 90 degrees up to 30 degrees down.
And you can save 255 presets. That's a lot.
255 isn't just a lot. That's enough to pre-program every single shot for an entire multi-day conference. Speaker podiums, wide shots, audience reactions, all of it.
I also saw it has an audio input, works in low light, and then this acronym, TAA compliant. Okay, I have to ask, what does the Trade Agreements Act have to do with the camera?
That's a good question. It's niche, but important. TA compliant basically means the product is certified for government purchase. For any government or military contract, that certification is often a flat-out requirement.
So boiling it all down, what does this mean for someone building out their production setup? The PTC-140T really shows how deep integration, that one cable, those specific studios, can deliver incredibly streamlined professional results.
And this raises a really important question for you to think about. When you design your own system, what do you prioritize? Is it universal adaptability, the ability to plug anything into anything else? Or is it the sheer speed and efficiency you get from a tightly controlled, integrated ecosystem? Because what this camera proves is that sometimes accepting that trade-off, that proprietary lock-in, is actually the only way to get maximum performance, something for you to mull over.